service stop. We're gonna be in the 600 block of Bellwood in the East Alley. I have it all advised. Hello, how's it going?
What's up, buddy?
Officer Harvey with the Bellwood Police Department. The reason I'm stopping is you weren't wearing a seatbelt when you turned on to Washington from
You didn't see my
Manheim.
seatbelt?
You weren't wearing one, correct?
Oh, you didn't see.
All right, you have your license and insurance on you?
I do.
All right, can I have that, please? Thank you. Is this your current address in Chicago? Is this your current address in Chicago?
That's my ID.
Is this your current address?
Yeah, that's my ID.
All right, but do you get mail here?
I'm gonna answer any questions. So, whatever you need to do, go ahead and do that. But I'm not gonna answer any questions. So I've given you what I'm required to give you by law.
I know, I just don't want to write the
and
ticket to the wrong one.
I'm not gonna give you answer any questions.
Okay,
So
that's fine. All right, here's that back. Sit tight for me, all right? .343 key, start me one. .343 key, start me one. Sir, can you do me a favor? Just have a seat back in the car? Okay, just have a seat back in the car, please. Okay, have a seat back in the car, please. Thank you. up to the car, he goes, "Oh, you didn't see it on?" I saw him put it on. And then I go and ask for his driver's license and insurance. I'm like, "Okay, is this your current address on your ID? This is all I'm giving you. You don't need anything else." I said, "I know, I just want to know where to write the ticket to." And he goes, "I'm not answering anymore." Write the ticket to. And he goes, "I'm not answering any more questions."
His ID? I think this is the guy who was in the lobby the other day.
Oh, really? Yeah. And I'm like, I just want to know where to write the ticket to.
So, Field Training Officer Clark, badge number, it's on the whatever call. He knows who I am just based off seeing the side of my car. And he knows he wasn't there. He wasn't there that day. He wasn't one of the 3 officers who was there 48 hours earlier that surrounded me. So obviously they did an investigation on me. They looked through their surveillance cameras. They ran my plate. Because once he gets my ID, he goes, "Yep, it is him." I never gave my name. How do you know my name? I never gave my name. So obviously they investigated me. It's a setup. It's a setup. It's a setup. Oh, obviously it's a seatbelt. How do you know it's obviously? You never put it over the radio with a seatbelt. How does he know it's a seatbelt ticket? And do you see the way Harvey here is perpetrating the way the conversation went? "Well, gee, just golly shucks, I just want to get it to you in the mail. I just want everything to go okay. Come on, man." And me, "Oh, you just get out of here. I'm not giving you any information. Get away from my car." Get out. It's just a joke. These were the 3 guys that were there. Chilson, I don't even know who that kid is. In the middle, that guy. And the Good Rum. My name is Good Rum. And that's Field Targeting Officer Clark. Badge number, it's on the call.
I'm not answering any more questions. I think, okay, that's fine. And then he jumped out of the car, and I told him to get back in the car. And, yeah.
So the whole force knows who I am. They've run an investigation on me and dispersed that information. But when I'm in a detention, an American citizen in a detention, he is above the law. He is above policy. He is above being honest and transparent. He himself doesn't need the ID, even though he's a public servant. Public. Look up the word public. I'm a private citizen. Look up the word private.
Because Amato made me mark it.
Are you on an unincorporated county road right now?
No. How much on the bet he's not going to sign it? Alright, sir. I'm going to issue a citation today for no seatbelt, okay? If you want to pay for it, the instructions on the back of this envelope will explain to you how to do that. All right. Also, if you wanted to mail it in, or if you want to pay for it on this website right here, okay? It's not a mandatory court date unless you refuse to sign it, is where I would mark refuse. I will keep your license, and then I will give you a court date, okay? Can you do me a favor? Sign right here. It's not admitting guilt. It's just promising to comply with the terms of the citations.
Card on you?
No, I do not.
Your star number was what?
343, and it's right here.
And then who's this gentleman over here?
All right. Can you do me a favor and sign right here?
I will. As soon as you give me this gentleman's name, he's on scene. He's a witness, so I'm gonna have to call him in. So can you give me his name and I'll sign it?
Okay, that'll all be on the call.
Okay.
Can you do me a favor and sign right here?
He's standing right there. Can you give me his
Can you do
name?
me a favor and sign right here?
I will. As soon as you give me his name and his badge number.
Okay. Are you refusing to sign the ticket?
No, I'm willing to sign the ticket.
Okay, can you sign the ticket?
Information from the stop.
Okay, I'll write refuse and I'll give you a court date and I'll keep your license, okay?
So you don't give me his name and
Do you want to sign the ticket?
I do want to sign the ticket.
Okay, go ahead and do that right now.
Is he going to give me his name and his badge number?
That'll all be attached to the call.
So you're telling me
okay,
he's
I'll
not
write
gonna give me
refuse
that?
and I'll keep your license and I'll give you a court date, okay?
I don't bend, I don't break, I don't fold. For a piece of plastic, you must be out your mind. He keeps on coming back as if he thinks I'm about to. You're running around like a dog chasing his tail. Oh, are you gonna do it now? Are you gonna do it now? Get it, you're out your mind. I could care less about signing it, but he's not gonna sign. I could care less about signing that. I'd whip you in court with a signed affidavit that I did something wrong, and I'd still beat you. You're out your mind. Thinks I'm scared to sign a ticket on my own recognizance? To say I'll show up for court? I'll say I'll send a postcard. I'll sign that. What do you need? I'm showing up for court. I'll camp out outside the courthouse. I'll be there. Trust me. I wouldn't miss it for the world. I whipped you on your own home field. Imagine if we were on neutral ground. Watch when he goes back to his car. He starts shaking. His buddy, field targeting officer Clark, badge number, it's on the call, has to calm him down. Man, just relax, dude. Just relax. You could tell. Listen to these. Listen, the next one coming up is Clark, and I am doing a commentary on the whole thing. I went easy on them, but then I started watching the matter. I had to talk. I am narrating Clark's whole thing. Field targeting officer Clark, badge number, it's on the call. I'm narrating his whole thing. You can't be kind. You can't be cordial to people like this. They think it's weakness.
You could tell.
Yeah, it's not worth it. Make sure you don't miss that court date.
Yep. And I'm tagging this body cam. Does he still get an envelope? Or no?
Give it to him. Leave it.
Alright, Joseph, your court date's going to be right here in this bottom right-hand corner. You know where Mayberg Courthouse is?
I do.
Alright, 1500 Mayberg Drive in courtroom 102, January 13th at 1:30 p.m. Okay?
And then how do I get his information, you're saying?
It'll be attached to the call.
Okay.
Alright, drive safe.
Is it?